What's going on, everybody? So, slide them over an inch, JP. I know. But anyway, what's up, everybody? So it's Thursday, it's payday. Today's the day we turn tickets in. And anyway, we've been hush now. Anyway, we've been having a good week. Trying to hit 85 for this week. We had to get 17 today to do it. So let's see, this will be 76, and we need 9 more loads after this. And I don't see we ought to get more than that. Got that M&K truck coming. He'll get one more. He already got one. The purple one's supposed to be coming. He'll get one. That's 2. Georgia, I'm trying to get 2 more out of George.
I gotta find out who you give my loads to. There should be more loads than this there.
No, man, they start to peter out a little bit.
I believe you're trying to pull my legs too out. What is that behind those back there?
Yeah, 10.
Still got some leeway?
Yeah, as long as I got the pulpwood for it.
Yeah, I don't know where my Louisville tomorrow. So, by the time the service is way, and they got to rotate the tires and all that good stuff.
I got you. Well, I'll have something for you. I'll have one of the 2.
Yeah. You already see, boy, don't like to go to Redwood on Friday.
That's right.
I tell them quick, you don't want to go to Redwood on Friday, you don't go to New One on Monday, cool.
Yeah, but I can't run on my hip bone.
Well, you ain't gonna run off with it, it ain't easy to find nothing to keep them on. What's wrong with that going like this? I'll be it.
Yeah, but they ain't gonna be open back up till Monday.
I was just asking, but I ain't inclined and going that way.
Well, I mean, the ones right there beside you, that's Mackey's Ferry, and then I got Cross Ties and I get.
There's 10 more. Yeah, I'm gonna take them for fat boy.
That ain't very nice, man. Yeah, I think this will either be 10 or 11 loads of saw logs out of here. So that's what they cruised anyhow. They cruised 10. So anything after that, a little bit extra. A little bit extra. That's right. All right, buddy. Cool. But anyway, folks, get on down the road, fella. Anyway, the other two trucks, they should be back. Amp, CC. Greenville, they all jacked up in there this morning, unloading with the crane. 2-hour turnaround. Alright. Where you get? No, 12. Folks, I'm gonna get back to work, and as long as everything goes good, we'll end up with 85 plus. So y'all don't go nowhere. I'm gonna go to work, but I'll see y'all after a little while. All right, everybody. Well, look here, it's a little after 3:30. Goodness gracious. Look at them people, man. People crazy. Anyway, let's see. This will be 16. I got one more after him. I don't know if Hot Rod's going to make it back or not. Greenville, they've been messed up, man. Unloading with the crane and all that. Anyway, either way, we're going to get our goal. We'll get 85 loads. So make it back, he'll make it back. If he don't, he don't. Even if he makes it back, he ain't gonna be able to get it all. But either way. So I think the battery's about to die on this thing. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna put a load of pulpwood up here. She ain't quite got time to make it to Dudley. That's what the plan was, send her to Dudley, but it is what it is. Alright. You ain't got time to make it to Dudley, do you?
Oh no, it'll be tight. You got Greenville?
No, I mean they closed at 4. They closed at 4. I can put a Newbern on you, it don't matter.
I can make it. Give me Dudley. Give me Dudley.
We're gonna put a load of Dudley out here. It's gonna be tight. Maybe she'll make it. If not, that's on her. You know what I'm saying? mean, she can make it, but she get held up by a school bus or anything, it's over. Yeah, before this battery dies out, I want to tell all y'all thank you for all the support and for actually watching the videos and stuff. I don't know how y'all watch them, man. It put me to sleep watching it, but well, I mean, that's that. Anyway, I just want to tell y'all I appreciate y'all for the battery run out on me. Tighten up, JP. All right, everybody. It's Friday. Let's see here. It's 10:30. George just got back from his first load. Oh, Greenville must not have been too bad, was it, George?
No, but it's getting ready to be. They're getting ready to have to stack with the crane. But I mean, it is what it is. Whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. They were real bad yesterday. Like 3-4 hour wait.
It'll be the same by this afternoon for sure. It'll have to be. As long as it takes to unload a truck the way they're doing it, it'll be jammed up this afternoon for sure.
I got you. Yeah, they're gonna be closed Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, and they'll all be jammed up in Dudley for Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, and you'll be up there with them.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, might be a good day. Good time to take some time off. Go fishing.
Lord have mercy.
Go fishing, JB. Monday and Tuesday. Let's go. I'm ready. I knew I wouldn't have to ask you twice.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, everybody said it's Friday. We out here fiddle farting around, ain't a whole lot going on really. Trying to get prepared for Monday on, I don't know. Hopefully Dudley will take Chippewa on Monday. That's what we started doing, just we quit cutting Greenville and put everything either in ply logs or chipping saw.
We can switch over to hardwood for Monday and Tuesday.
I don't know if there's that much in here hardwood.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
crisp. Alright, George, pull it, dude. Consultants, Timber Buyer, whatever you want to call them. They were out here a little while ago. They had reflagged SMZ zone. But they say we're moving back to the county, to our hometown anyhow. So that'll be good. Be real good. Finally got us some halfway decent trucks, and decent amount anyway. Maybe we can start moving some wood, make Jimmy some money. has arrived. Bum 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 bum. Good job,
What black people do. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Come on with the steering wheel in my hand. Since I was 6 months old. Drink diesel for Kool-Aid.
Yeah, bending spoons and licking bowls.
With that wood on my truck again, like that JP gonna be me and you. Crack corn and I don't care.
So what branch of military are you out of, veteran?
You serve, I can tell you everything, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to invest in a can of black spray paint.
What?
Riding around with a veteran sticker on the trailer.
I am a veteran. Son of a veteran.
There you go, I get out.
Well, my dad's a Vietnam veteran. You look at him wrong, he'll put a bullet in you.
Shout out to all the veterans out there. We're doing what most won't. come back and get this green.
I know you lost your mind.
Man, George said they in and out.
You ain't no in and out. You ain't gonna fool me. You ain't get me up there.
Oh yeah, said they in and out, bud, in and out.
Bypass this thing.
You need not come back by here.
I am coming by empty.
Alright, folks. So it's Friday, man. We're going to enjoy the rest of our day. Have a great weekend, and I hope all y'all do the same. Hopefully I can get this video out tonight, and y'all can enjoy the rest of your Friday night. Peace out.